Alright, here we go. It's September 10th, 2017. The very beginning of Hurricane IRMA. One of Irma's burst from her outer bands. There we go. Looking pretty intense there. Whew. Well, if this is how it is now, the storm at this point is down in Naples. The eye of the storm is down in Naples. So you're talking about another 8-9 hours before it actually gets here. And this is what we're seeing so far. We should be in for a hell of a show. Heavy rain. Whew. Wow, Ed, you missed it. I mean, it was like as soon as you walked out, it calmed down. Boy, it got really serious out here. Hey, I thought it was curfew. No one was supposed to be on the road.
Curfew, yeah.
Well, that guy's gonna get busted. Yeah, they got a curfew down here since 12 o'clock that nobody's allowed to be on the road. Unless that's a police officer. Oh. That was just one of those simple storms in the outer bands. I think this is the part where it's consistent. Okay, so the time now is 5:15 p.m. It's going to get dark soon, so I don't know, hopefully this is the Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus. They say I could take some pretty cool pictures at night, so hopefully I could do that. If I can, then I'll put together a hell of a video for you. But for right now, I'm going to sign off. So I'll see you in a little bit.